Guys, so we have for you a massage couch come from a company called Habys from Poland, and they sent this couch for review, and it's amazing, super light, have an amazing cover, so you can put it as a rucksack. And if we can bring it up to the hill on the mountains where it's super windy, super cold, you can take it anywhere.
If I can carry it, you can carry it.
But guys, let's go back to the warmth, let's go back to the clinic, so we can talk more about the details.
Get out of the wind. Hey!
Hello!
This is better.
It's not windy.
Yeah, out of the wind and the cold and back into the nice warm clinic.
So guys, we're back here and we wanted to talk to you about the company Habys and the massage table they do. They sent one for review, which was the giveaway for our January giveaway. But we're just going to take time and to talk a little bit more about this.
Yeah, just tell you a bit more about how amazing this couch is, how comfortable it is, and how you can walk to the top of the Malvern Hills carrying it.
So the Habys company is from Poland, but their products are made worldwide. The company started by Emil and Magda Kendrick. And they started in 1997. They couldn't find a table for themselves, so they decided they're going to make one for themselves. And that's how the company Habys was born.
Their mission is to provide therapists with the highest quality work tools. Professional massage tables. The products are handmade and they're customized, so the customer gets exactly what they want.
So they do sell various products like massage couches, massage stools, bolsters, mattresses, hot stones and carry cases, and various other items for massage therapists, whatever you need for your clinic.
There is so many different options to pick for. So if you pick the table you want, then you can pick from over 30 different shades, and you can customize your table to whatever you want it to be.
So Habys company, they like innovate and they like give therapists the best experience ever. So if you have an idea, they like to make this happen. Hello massage therapist.
Hello!
Hi. So guys, company is great and they do products, and there's one particular we want to talk about today, and this is Aero table.
Yeah, this is the middle-sized table, so it comes in 3 sizes. This one's 60 centimetres wide and it only weighs 9.5 kilograms. So just to put that into perspective, I'm not going to tell you my weight, but I'm only 5'1" and a size 10, and I can carry this thing around with ease.
What we found really good, like I am a mobile massage therapist, and you do a little bit of mobile,
sometimes.
And we know how difficult it is getting out the couch, taking out and carry anywhere. There's the stairs, walks, doors and everything, and it's really, really difficult.
Especially to hold everything and knock on the door.
Exactly, and you might have extra bag with you, carrying all the stuff. So we really understand, and the Habys really designed something for exact needs what mobile massage therapists needs.
Yeah, it is. It's absolutely brilliant. It's so easy to get in and out of the bag, which really helps because the zips go all the way around to the edge.
And yeah, the bag guys, the bag, what we love, we are thinking for this a long time, and what we love, they design the carry bag as a rucksack. Habys, well done, fair play for this one.
Thumbs up, yeah.
Seriously, we tried it in a couch in. It's just so light, so comfortable to carry.
Yeah, especially when you clip on these clips around you, you really don't feel that weight at all.
And have normal various straps which just kind of easy and help you to carry holds, and really everything designed so the strap doesn't peel on you or just don't go on your shoulder or something. And even nice one in hand here, so you can really nicely carry.
Yeah, they're very sturdy and secure.
Very sturdy, secure. They have lots of various additional bits which just make nice and durable.
Yeah, definitely. It's going to last a long time, and a nice little pocket on the front as well to put your notes or towels or extra bits in is really handy. They really have thought of everything.
And as well, what they do, if you want, they can put your logo on the front of the massage couch. That's cost obviously extra, but it's another great thing to show your business and show your name and the branding.
Yeah, especially when you're walking down the street on the way to a client and everyone can see whatever advert you want to put on there. So it's brilliant, really good.
Another thing which we really love, and you know this, it's face cradle. Okay, face cradle, we know because we do lots of face cradle. Short stories, if you haven't already checked them out, we put a link in here so you can. Yeah, it's a 3D face cradle, which is basically nicely designed. So you know your face is just falling in.
Yeah,
and
it's really hard to explain, but if you have a look at the, I don't know if you can see that very well there, it's got that nice dip to it, so your face does sit nicer into it.
Nicely, you know.
It's so padded and comfortable.
And usually what's happened, the face cradle, the bits in here, and just when your face going in, it just opening out.
Yeah.
And then it's just so uncomfortable. But it's so super padded and face just
gives you a little face cuddle.
Yeah, hello. It just feels nice. So yeah, definitely another point for Habys. We love this.
Yeah. Another thing I really love is how easy it is to put up, because it's so lightweight as well. It's no problem putting it up. And on the legs has got little numbers. So I don't know about you, sometimes when someone's helping you adjust a couch and you'll say, oh, can I put it 3 holes from the bottom or whatever?
From the top, from the bottom? Which way did you do it?
And is it on the 3rd hole or a 3rd hole and then the next one? Whereas this has got numbers on it, which is ingenious idea.
It's so simple.
So simple, but such a good idea.
A little thing which just kind of helps adjust really quickly, and especially when you're mobile, just doing, you know, adjust in the house. That's okay on the 4th, on the 3, on the 2.
Yeah.
Depends whatever you need.
And you know which one you need as well. So when you get there, it's like, oh yeah, number 3, set up, done.
And easy.
So much easier.
Another thing what we love about this, it's guys, they coming and you have a choice of so many different colors. You know what we found exactly. You have a black, cream.
Well, they're all there.
Maybe purple. You know, you can find on the market.
Red.
You can.
I want the green.
Oh yeah.
If anyone wants to buy me a green one, that would be good.
You know, whatever your branding, whatever your mood, whatever
your clinic,
your clinic,
match it in
with the colors in there. And I believe if they don't have a color in here, which is very doubtful, talk to them. They're gonna find one for you.
Yeah, that's what I really like about these guys. They are up for the challenge of whatever you want. If it's not on their website, send them an email and say, look guys, I quite fancy this. And they're really up for anything like that to give you exactly what you want.
And the material is just soft touch, soft touch. And they made, that's vinyl, which is just very durable and just really nicely comfortable.
It is really comfy couch. So yes, that's on my Christmas list. Yeah.
So guys, we're gonna put all the links below so you can check out the variety of the products. They're based in Poland, but they do ship stuff around worldwide. And places like the European Massage Championships, you've been using their couches, which they're just great.
Yeah.
And you can order. The prices are varies. They around just normal, really, but
they're quite competitive from what I've seen.
Price is competitive, but it, so really worth it.
Yeah, I would say the prices are competitive, but I think with Habys you just get that little bit extra.
Yes.
Like the way you can customise. Yeah, you pay extra for the little extra bits, but it's there, it's an option. And to pick whatever colour, I don't know if anybody else has come across anywhere else, but I haven't, where you've got that many selection of colours.
And amazing BusyHive colour, orange.
Yes.
It looks so good.
Pretty.
So guys, if you like this video, please share and like and check out the Habys, because they, great company. And guys, if anyone have a product for review and want to talk us about, send us an email at hello@busyhive.co.uk, because we here producing those videos for to inspire and share lots of amazing products and things to the massage therapists, to the world, because it's great.
Yeah, it's always nice to learn about new things as well. Brilliant.
So guys, thank you for watching, and we're gonna see you at the next video.
See you soon. Bye.